A very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening from wherever you're watching us. You are so much welcome to join us in this tutorial where we are going to learn how to use Canva Magic Studio. Now, if you go to canva.com, you'll notice that on the left-hand side here, there is a term Magic Studio, and this is the AI, that is the artificial intelligence within Canva. Now, to get to Canva, you simply go to canva.com. That link is available in the description of this video, and we have a few other tutorials in this YouTube channel on how to use Canva, and you are so much welcome to watch them. Now, to use Canva Magic Studio, you will click on this Magic Studio on the left hand side, and that will open the Magic Studio. So if you come down here, depending on the plan you have, if you have the free plan or the paid premium plan, you may see different things here. I'm using the free plan. So you'll notice here, we have the magic design. We have the magic design for presentations. We have the magic design for videos. And then we have the magic, right? If we come to create a new design, and let's just use a custom size, and then we call this maybe 1080 by 1080. So we have our design there. So let's add an image here. Let's just come to, so if we drag this, we may have to do a lot of dragging for it to fit there, and we end up losing part of the content that maybe we could have wanted to be part of our screen. So we just fit it as it was initially. Then again, we come to magic and resize. Then we click on resize, and then now you can decide how do you want to resize it. You can even decide on the custom size here. And what that will do, it will fill now this image on your Canva, and it will just automatically generate the remaining parts of this picture you have in order to fit this Canva. So let's look at the next thing you can use with Canva Magic Studio. If you come to apps on the left hand side, you notice that it opens all this Magic Media, Magic Morph, Job and AI, Cartoonify, and all this. So let's click on Magic Media. Now with Magic Media, you can instantly generate images and videos with AI. How you do that? You simply click on open, and then now, just like you can use other tools where you can generate images from text, you also do the same here. So let's delete our image here. Then on the left hand side here, you describe the image we want to see. So here we can maybe say a red car on the streets. A red car, let's say just a red car driving on the streets. Then you can click on try example. If you want to generate an image, you can just click that. If you want it to be a video, you can click on video, and then you click on generate. So let's come back to image. That's what we want. A red car driving on the street. We can click on generate. There we have it. You notice we have these 4 images of red cars on the street. So if you want to use any of them, you can just click on it, and then it will be added to your Canva. So we have this one, we have all the others. So you can also regenerate if you are not happy with that. If you want to create a video of the same, let's delete that. You click on videos. Let's put the same prompt there, a red car driving on the street. You click on generate, and that has generated your video. So if you click on that video, and now it's added here, let's just expand that slightly. There we have it. And so now you notice we have our video added here, and you can play the video to see how it is. So let's delete that and show you the next item under the apps. So the next thing you can also use is the Magic Morph. And this Magic Morph, if maybe you type a text here, you can type the Magic Morph how you want the text to appear. Maybe if you type the text here, happy birthday, you can come to the Magic Morph and type that to appear as inflated balloon. And then that will change your text into an inflated balloon. Maybe you want it to be ocean waves. You can transform the text you've written here, or even an image, into what you need using the Magic Morph. This is available in the premium version. I'm using the free trial, but this is how you do it. You simply type what you need. Like you have a star, you put it into be a balloon, and then it transforms to all this. So the next thing you can also use, again, we said you come to apps, you can use the job and AI resume cover. So with this one, again, you can get tailored resume. You simply add your own details, and then a resume will be generated for you. So Down here, you notice you simply click on try, and then you paste your resume here and the job description text, and we'll analyze them and provide a tailored suggestion. So for instance, you can post your job description here or resume or the CV text here. So for instance, here I have a resume from BAD. I've generated this using BAD, summary, experience, and all these skills. So if now I can copy all this, if I can copy that and then come back to my Canva studio, I can now paste my resume there, and then I can type the job description here. Which job am I applying for? So for instance, we are looking for a computer scientist. Maybe if that is a job description, so you can basically paste it from whichever source the job was at, and then you now come here and click on generate tailored suggestions. And what this will do, it will generate a sample AI for you. That is for the CV, for the resume, for the cover letter, whatever you need generated, you can use it here. Notice the summary here. Passionate recent computer science graduate with solid understanding of programming languages. So you notice the details that have been done here. Suggested skills that I can add now to that CV. They are here, and all this experience has been added here. And if I'm happy with that, I can click on copy all. If I'm not happy, I can click on regenerate the role description, or if maybe I don't like the part for this part for skills, I can click on regenerate skills. So once I do that, and if I'm okay with it, I can click on copy all. Then I go back maybe to a Word document, and then all this will be copied, and I just paste it there. You notice it has all the details. Here is the cover letter. Dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the computer scientist position at your company. As a recent graduate, you notice all the details are here for this cover letter. So I can copy and paste that. So let's go back to apps again, and we look at Cartoonify. So with Cartoonify, you can turn your photos into fun cartoons. So you'll click on Cartoonify, then you come here and click on open app, and then you'll upload the file that you need to Cartoonify. So I'll go to my downloads and I'll select this photo and click on open. And you notice the photo has been cartoonified here. So that is how you cartoonify your own photos. This was actually a photo of someone I know, but now it has already been cartoonified into this. So that's how you use the cartoonify. So if we come back to apps and show you the secret link, this is where you blend text into any image background. For instance, if I click on open, then I can now type the text I want here. Let me change this image and use a different image from the elements here. I want to use that image. So I'll come back to apps again, secret link, and then I add the text that I want there. If I click on Josh, then here I can choose the background description, Chocolate Island, whichever the background that I need. I just need a brown rocky hill, and it doesn't have to use this image actually. So we can just even replace this image by just typing there brown rocky hill to have the name Josh. So let's click on generate. And as that is generating, we can even delete this image that we have added here, because now our image there, the secret ink will be added to the illusion that we have just described. And there we have it. So let's delete the image we had added. Look at that. Look at the way that has been engrafted into our image. The word Josh has just been added there. And more features are available if you have the premium or the paid version. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.